He really cares about you.
He runs after me.
Go run. Denver, go get your mommy. Uh-oh. He's going after his daddy. Look at him run. Oh my gosh, he's amazing. Lost interest in chasing his dad. He's got to choose between mom and dad. Look at that. Daddy won. That dog is so much fun, isn't he, Luke?
Yeah.
Makes me miss Clifford.
Yeah.
We had so much fun at the park with him, didn't we?
Yeah.
You know, you even sound like my brother David.
Really?
Yes. You don't just look like him, you sound like him.
Oh, that's sushi. Grab him. Timber, hey! Timber, come on back, bud. Timber,
Uh-oh. Timber must see a girl dog. He's off and running. Yeah, good luck with that one.